Hey YouTube, we're going to do Angeline by PJ Harvey. It starts on D minor. Alright, we got D minor, and then she's doing like a pull off on the G string. It kind of mimics the melody. My name is Angeline. F. Then a little C at the end. Back to D minor. Alright, that's how the song continues. For quite a bit, like through like 2 verses. And let me just clarify, when she starts saying lies in front of me like an open road, I think that's when after that it goes to D minor, and that's where she's singing. That's like the refrain where she's singing Dear God, dear God, love and kind, people being D minor, G, and she's playing just a F power chord. Just play F on the first fret of the 6th string and the 3rd string of the A string, and then just like she was kind of tagging the F with the C. Well, when she goes to the G, she's pulling off on the F, and she's going to a open E string at the very end. People being born and died. Those are all the pull-offs in the song are optional. If you're beginning, you can just play, no pull-offs. Just play the chords straight. If you're a more advanced player and you can start to work on the pull-offs, that's fine. But so after that, going to G, then it goes back to the D minor, F, C. Goes back to that for another verse. And again, when she sings the lyric, lays in front of me like an open road, that's when you start going to D minor to G. And then I think that's at the end of the song. And then when she sings, after going to the G twice, they go back to the D minor. While she sings, my name is Angeline. That is where it goes D minor, F to C, just one time. And then they go back to the... it just ends on the D minor. Okay, so just play along with the recording a couple times, and you'll get a feel for when the change to the G comes. Okay, but my opinion on that song, I think that's someone who is starting to think, maybe there's a better life for me in heaven, right? Angeline could be shortened to Angel. That's how it's spelled. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe, but only if you want to.